welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the living and practicing Hindus from all over the world. I welcome all the Sarvanyapita Kartas, manifestors, Sarvavarityagis, Shri Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Kailasas E-Gurukul students, Kailasas NHU students, Paramashiva Ganas, and Paramashivoham Season 8 participants, everyone having Nayanadiksha, and all those watching us live on Kailasa TV, Kailasas NTV, Kailasas HNTV, Kailasas Enlighten app, and other social media platforms. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Paramashiva's direct message from Kailasa. Understand this pralaya which is happening now. As some good news, some great news. There's no bad news. Listen. Good news is your mental setup, the mind you built, is with the mixture of some delusional beliefs, false hopes, false security, blind spots, and some true, powerful, real cognitions. Understand? Your mind is mixture of both. I should say, for a common man, the powerful cognitions is very less percentage. Delusions, hopes, blind spots are all large number of percentage. I'll give you some example for blind spots. People in anger, in rage, sometimes think, come on, let's do it, and face what comes after that. But when after effects, the side effect, the result of what they have done, when it comes, they can't face. That is what I call blind spot based mental setup. Sometimes people make decisions arrogantly. You can see even in Indian movies. Constantly this Indian cinema is teaching violence as heroism. Oh God. So much violence is not required to run your life. But it is so unfortunate, Indian cinema makes you believe only if you are violent, you can survive, which is not true. raising the negativity, friction among the human beings and encashing the cheap emotions, triggering the cheap emotions and making money. Most cheapest business. I've always seen in these Indian cinemas, the hero will tell, come on, kill that fellow, come what may, we will face it later. Actually, after that, when he is arrested and put in jail, he will not be able to face it. This is exactly they are teaching the Indian youth. Indian youth also behaves the same way. Come on, let's do it and face what comes after that. But after that, when it comes, they will not be able to face. The blind spot based thinking. Listen. All this blind spot based thinking, blind spot based mental system will collapse now in this pralaya. Actually, non-violence is the real heroism. We should teach our next generation how to take the non-violence and blissful coexistence to your core level. All this violence-centric heroism and violence-centric hero worship stories, everything should be moved away from the next generation. Violence should not be taught as heroism. Making yourself rich, happy, blissful through happy coexistence. That should be the lifestyle, and that is only going to be the future. Youth is not going to believe anymore this violence instigating ideologies. It is time human beings become matured. I am telling you, this pralaya is going to teach lesson to all the human beings. Please understand. Really, the meat industry should disappear from planet Earth. Understand? This pralaya is going to remove meat industry, make vegetarianism as a mainstream lifestyle. All the blind spot based thinking, delusion based thinking, false idea of security, all this will melt down. All this will melt down. The earlier you remove all this from your life, great for you. some of the things I am repeating continuously, and I am going to repeat continuously for next few more days, till it reaches everyone. Because these are first principles to survive this pralaya. First principles to survive this pralaya. Understand? All of you have a great possibility now, using this situation, what is happening externally, and its impact inside you can be beautifully used, and you can become enlightened. You can have superconscious breakthrough. Because all the peer pressure is taken away. Now there is no pressure, no jealousy, no comparison, no peer pressure. Everything is taken away. Lots of false things are melting down. Lots of life negative ideas are collapsing. The real understanding about the wealth is emerging. Real clarity about strength is emerging, I tell you. Human beings will understand the need for consciousness-based lifestyle through this pralaya, and earlier the human beings understand, quicker they will sail through this pralaya, which is happening now. The great deluge. I tell you, extreme chronic greed-based economy, chronic pleasure-based lifestyle, chronic fear-based ruling structure, everything has become overdose. Whether the depth of the pleasure, the fear needed to rule, to keep the law and order in the society, or the greed which needs to be instigated for human beings to be productive, everything has become excessive. It has reached to the blind spot level, means the greed, instead of inspiring you, has started putting fear. Fear, instead of frightening you, started addicting you for the fear. When it crosses certain limit, it enters into your system and in a way emboldens you. What can be done? Okay, let it be. It becomes delusional arrogance. Everything due to its excess is fully messed up. Greed, instead of performing its expected role, started awakening fear. Fear, instead of performing its expected role, started kindling the delusional arrogance in you. The extreme idea of pleasure, instead of exciting, inspiring you, started draining and addicting. All the ideas of modern day pleasure is like getting drained and collapsing. Till collapsing, you consider that as a pleasure. Whether it's a drug or a sex, pornography or ornography. Ornography means, when I use the word VORNO, ornography, violence pornography. Just like how people are addicted to pornography, there are people addicted to violent scenes, the violence worship. That's what I call ornography. And people who are addicted to this terror, ghost, horror movie, maybe we can call gornography. Pornography, ornography, gornography. All this is falsely identified as pleasure . All the three, pornography, extreme violence worship, ornography, ghost, horror, terrorizing, illogically terrorizing you, that horror movies, I call it gornography. All the three permanently damages your ability to experience higher states of consciousness or deeper states of consciousness peacefully. Your inner peace, your ability to experience inner peace is permanently damaged by all these three: pornography, ornography, gornography. avoid all these three as much as you can. Pornography, horror, ghost movies, sceneries, and violence worship. Worshipping violence, gory scenes, like cutting the head. Avoid all the three. All the three permanently damages your ability to have peaceful experience of higher states of consciousness. Listen. Now, the mental setup worshipping all these three will melt down. This pralaya will take away all kinds of illusions and delusions. This pralaya all kinds of illusions and delusions will be taken away. People who are able to be energetic, alive, active, sharply thinking, strategizing, without the peer pressure of jealousy, comparison, they are going to accumulate exorbitant amount of wealth. Understand? All the people who can function, think, work, get excited only by peer pressure, jealousy, comparison are just going to dry and wither out, because all the peer pressure, jealousy, comparison, everything is going to be taken away from life. If your mental setup is such, you can think only with peer pressure, jealousy, comparison, you don't have future. Your active, excited hours will drastically drop down to 5%. You will be almost in depression, low mood, non-thinking, non-excited, inactive. Whoever is able to excite themselves with powerful cognitions, in tune with the cosmos, you are active just because you feel like enriching the world, supporting the world, contributing to the world. If your mental setup is based on contribution, enriching, spiritual strength and excitement, you are going to be active continuously and you are going to accumulate exorbitant wealth. Because all the wealth of the peer pressure based gang is going to be left. It's going to melt down. The peer pressure based industries will melt down. Contribution based industries will shoot up. I tell you. That is why I am telling, billionaires are going to become bankrupt and startup companies are going to become billion-dollar companies. Because it is all going to be now all about your foundation. Who is
or your daughter to whom